In this video, we will look at some of the features of the DVM module. So from the main screen, we will select DVM. I am currently reading negative 1.109 volts, and I am in the 5 volt range because I am set to auto range. I am looking at DC volts. I can also view AC volts, DC amps, and AC amps. The DC amps require a shunt as well as the AC amps. To set your shunt value, we will go to the settings, scroll down to shunt configuration. We can select factor, rating, or resistance. In this case, I'm using a rating, and I have it set to 50 millivolts equals 50 amps. If you want to change this, you can, and hit save. I am currently reading just under 25 amps because I have approximately 25 millivolts going into my shunt pin on the DVM 2130. Please visit our website for more helpful how-to videos.